This is Annie, a lovely Irish girl that doesn't swear like a trooper nor drink like one. She is my accidental crew. I was delivering her to another boat that was going to go to the East Caribbean, but that boat has disappeared. The Annie problem. Annie's deep in thought.
Yes.
She's the stranded crew that can't find a boat. So just to give you an update.
I'm in limbo.
Yeah. And she got onto some guy in San Blas to go crewing. And I said, yeah, I'll take her, because no one is moving anywhere. She wouldn't be able to get here. And we get into San Blas and the guy's not here.
What's it now? Day
five? Day 5. Trying the radio. Now, we do know his friend is in Panama near Linton Bay. And so that's who I know. I don't know the captain of your boat. I don't know him. But I know this other guy. Now, I know he's there, but I don't know where this other guy is. Now, these guys, or one of them, is at least trying to get to the Eastern Caribbean. Now, what you've got to understand is we've got this low off Venezuela, and it's sucking in the wind, so the winds are opposite to the direction they're normally going. So it's usually a hard slog to go across the Southern Caribbean from, say, Panama or Cartagena to the Grenadines. It's really, really difficult because the winds, quite often off Cartagena, Barranquilla and Santa Marta, are like strong. They're 30 to 50 knots, especially at night. And you've got a current against you. So now we've got this system, and we've had 6 days of southerly, and I'm thinking the guy, because Annie's not paying crew, and so he's, he doesn't...
crew usually have to pay, isn't it?
And
the
so,
other way around.
No. Well, usually crew are useless, and so the captain has to train them up. So it takes 3 weeks for. Trust me, it's happened before. It takes a long time to train up.
I can
So I'm thinking, it's unscrupulous, but maybe he used this because this is 6 days of south-westerly winds. It's going to take him all the way to the Grenadines. He can do it in the 6 days. And in fact, we can't get in contact with him, and I suspect that he might have done that and said, Annie, go bugger yourself.
Yeah, but not only would that be like a bad move to do to me, but you as well, because now potentially.
Yeah. So we don't really know what to do. So maybe he saw this 6, because it'd save hundreds in fuel and wear and tear on the boat, because it's a Spinnaker run. It's 10 to 12, and he'd be there in the Grenadines in 6 days. Easy. 4 days to Bonaire, and 2 more days to. It's crazy. Anyway, so Annie doesn't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
Yeah, I'll probably be stuck here for the day, just contemplating life, stressing out,
Yeah, well, don't stress. I mean, there's no danger. There's no storm. No one's going to chop your leg off.
Yeah.
So. It's just a strange situation. It really is. And not to mention, Margarita is fiercely jealous over everything. And now I've got Annie on the boat. And I'm going to be paying for this, people. Nothing's happening at all. My goodness, I think Margarita agreed, because Annie could do a little bit of the shift, so I could sleep for a couple of hours each of the nights getting here. But this
a week now.
This added thing is, I'll be paying for it. No matter what happens, I'll be paying for it.
You'll get the blame.
Yeah. Anyway, sorry to ambush Annie like this. I've got to. I've got to document everything for the blog, people.
It's real.
It's real. Anyway, that's some of the dramas. All right, people, signing off. It's
over now.
The usual. Nothing is plain sailing on my blog.
People, no good deed goes unpunished. But we can still enjoy ourselves. Yakov has invited us over for a smoked fish dinner. I'm not sure if he wants my company or the sweet potatoes that I have in my possession.
Oh shit, tight. No, not on the boat. It's a rubber boat.
Because with smoked fish, you must have sweet potatoes.
Okay, little help. It's hot. Yeah, because... Yeah, okay, we're good?
This is Yakov's smoker. Here we have a door at the bottom where a tray can be taken out and filled with red hot coals and placed back in. We have a door here for putting in wood chips. There are 2 levels of fish or meat to be dried at the top, plus you can hang strips, so a lot of fish or meat can be smoked. This is a much cooler smoker than mine, which of course is better for the smoking process. Mine is more like a steamer smoker, but what do you expect from 2 dodgy sinks put together like this? The fish take longer with a cooler smoker for obvious reasons, but it is a superior smoke and it will cure the fish for longer, so you don't need refrigeration. Here is our group of like-minded cruisers that gather together and bring a dish or two. Enjoy the meal together with lots of oxytocin and tell bullshit stories as the sun goes down. Red sky at night, sailor's delight. How good is that? But this is a special occasion because Christelle has made sweets too. And they are so good, people. Margarita would love this. Another day ends amongst friends. What a magnificent day to be alive. I can't wait to see what the day brings. It's so clear and so calm, I reckon I could shoot fish from up on the boat. And yes, people, I have done that before, but that's a story in itself, and I'll save it for another time. Check out this long, tight cave and all the fish. Since my breath hold is poor from being in quarantine the last 3 months, I'll attempt this cave later, maybe after a few weeks, so my breath hold will be doubled. Safety first, people, not safety fourth. This is a little cubera that just wants to play. I don't feel like shooting it in the head when all it wants to do is catch a frisbee, so I leave it alone. Perfect little dog snapper, just enough for 2 of us. Alright, time for barbecue. They might already be there. I hope they've done the fire already. I love it how this was 20 minutes ago, and now it's this. You can't get fresher than that, people.
Yeah, Yes, Pappy.
I couldn't believe it, but the boat showed up. Hey!
So sorry for the
Ah, shit happens. I'm just happy you're here. Jesus, I thought you'd already nicked off to Bonnier.
Christopher had so many problems with his rig.
Oh.
So yeah,
Because you know, you had a southerly, you could have been in Grenada 2 days ago.
Don't say that though. You don't want to
See
see
you.
a grown
Anyway,
man cry.
I'm going to come over now anyway.
You can use it now. Yeah. Okay. Well, will I go over your boat then? Is it better?
No, go with the new captain and I can make sure you've gone. Right, see ya.
Oh, you got the thingy on. Adios, Pappy.
Bye. Sorry for acting like a goose, people, but I was very relieved to not have to sail all the way back to Bocas and drop Annie off, and then sail all the way back here. Unfortunately, the captain of the other boat, Alexander, looked very worried about why I was cheering so much, so I thought I'd better go and explain. Wow, nice boat. See, Annie's done it the right way.
Yeah,
She's gone from slumming it on my piece of crap.
From rags to riches.
Sorry, sorry.
Did you miss me?
I was pining away.
Was there tears rolling down?
Tears were rolling down my face.
Joy.
Oh, yeah.
Joy.
I was unhappy. I was naked. I was like this. Alexander was a bit concerned about why I was cheering. So just understand that I've been working my ass off for the last 3 months, like 16-hour days, doing videos, and my beautiful wife and I have been too close together, and so I wanted my time.
Okay.
And so that's all. So there's nothing wrong with Annie at all.
free.
She is perfectly lovely. But now I can scratch my and do what I like.
Lovely.
We're going to have barbecue here with Fish O'Court, so looking forward to it. Good company. And then I'm going to be on my lonesome.
Yeah.
Well, it was good. We're all eating well. Mari is a bit slow. She's from Venezuela. Apparently she wants to hook me up with one of her we're all just having fun, and I think I had a couple of too many of these. So the Annie problem was solved. What a relief. Now it was just me. I wonder what mischief I can get up to next. Surely not too much. See you next week.